How to lock Play Store on Samsung device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to look at how you can easily lock your Play Store app on Samsung. Now let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to know that Samsung does not offer app locks by default, so you're going to have to download an external app from Play Store itself first. In order to hide Play Store, first open it up, go to the search bar, and then search for something called Shortcut Maker and hit enter. Once you've done that, you can easily download the Shortcut Maker. You also need to download one more application here called AppLock. So basically go ahead and tap on this AppLock Pro and then tap on install. Wait for it to install the application. Once installed, just open the app simply. Tap on get started. From here you can create a pin code for you. So I'll just create a normal pin code to show you guys. Once that is done, tap on save. You can enable biometric lock right now if you want, so I'll just do that. Tap on test now, and I'll just provide my fingerprint. Tap on yes. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and start. Let's do it. You have to give this permission to appear on top, so let's just do that quickly. Tap on permit and continue. Tap on allow. Tap on permit. Let's just do that as well. So once your app lock is ready, you can just search for the app that you want to lock. So I'll just search for Play Store over here. And you can easily lock your Play Store from there. Right besides it, you can find all of the locked apps as well. So you can just tap on them to unlock, or you can go to settings and turn on the smart lock as well. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.